So, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a tower back there. And I want to go there. And it looks like that this here is the way. At least people have been saying this is the way. But I don't know, it looks like a motocross track or something. Just dirt, and you could go either way. I'll let the drone fly. Ah man, it's exhausting as hell. Drones. It's like there's always this panic. It's like, no battery. Dee-doo. Yeah, but I'm confident because of that truck there. If the truck can go, so can we. Right? The dudes. Oh, and if you haven't noticed, it got hot again. Like not totally hot, but like, I don't know, 25, 27 or so. So it's nice. All right, should be it. I'm doing 2 minutes today. Have a good day. Peace.